Biotechnology is going to be the technology and the opportunity for the 21st century, and South Africa absolutely needs to harness its capabilities and its technologies and its drive for creating social impact with biotechnology.
We're in the new global machine age where technology is king. That requires the absorption through foreign direct investment of technologies and their diffusion across the manufacturing sector. But very importantly, it also requires research and development.
The National Development Plan is looking at a growth target of more than 5% per year. In order for us to do that, government and the private sector need to work much more closer together around innovation and using technology for growth and development. As part of that work, the CSIR is a crucial partner because their work is to support industry development as part of their broader mandate.
It's our hope that the various science councils will play a key role in assisting us in addressing our socio-economic development challenges in this country by helping us to use science to develop knowledge products and services which positively alter our context of poverty, inequality, and unemployment. And the reason I'm always excited to be at the CSIR and some of our other science councils is they're beginning to do just that. So they are delivering on the mandate that the nation expects us to execute.
Innovation is at the heart of what the CSIR does, as well as the opportunity that we create with regards to the commercialization of some of the technologies that we develop within the CSIR. I think these are the roles that we play as a CSIR with regards to contributing towards economic growth, but economic growth that is sustainable and that enables the country to be globally competitive.
The bioeconomy strategy speaks of three very important pillars of R&D, that is the health sector, agriculture, industry and the environment. As CSIR Biosciences, we play a role in each of these areas. And what the BIDC program enables us to do is to package our know-how and proprietary technologies under this program and avail it to the broader NSI.
The BIDC will ensure that there is strategic alignment within the various projects in the country. It will ensure that we find better synergies and harmonize most of the processes. So in that way, I think the national system of innovation within biosciences will become a much more effective engine for economic growth.
Our mandate is essentially about utilizing public funds to share risk and catalyze innovation that stimulates the creation of new jobs in the economy. The fund does this by collaborating or partnering with institutions that are experts in their chosen field and have a proven implementation record. The CSIR and its partners represents a positive collaboration for the Jobs Fund.
The CSIR is striving to make a difference in people's lives by taking technologies that we develop in the lab into the market to make real impact. The BIDC is one of those programs where we have developed capability to do prototyping, piloting and pre-commercial manufacture of bio-based technologies that can get products into market and make a real difference.
We have to create job opportunities. And for industry to create job opportunities, they have to grow, they have to be sustainable, and they have to be competitive.
In the first phase of the BIDC program, we focused on providing technology incubation support to SMMEs. To date, we've had over 100 applications from different SMMEs for support. And to us, I think it validates that there is a demand for the support in translating research and development into products. The SMMEs that we are supporting are active in a range of market sectors, including the cosmetic sector, the chemical sector, the biotechnology sector, the water and sanitation sector, amongst others.
So I'm really excited that through this center, we've seen the blending of research and development with industrial and commercial expertise within it. That it's become a hub for open innovation for small, medium, and micro enterprises in the biomanufacturing sector. that it has incubated companies, and that it is indeed a unique center, the first of its kind in South Africa.
The BIDC has assisted us in terms of developing new products and technologies which have allowed us to access new channels to market for our business.
As an entrepreneur, the BIDC has helped me because I've already attended trainings which assisted me in terms of understanding the industry that I'm in, especially when coming to mixing the chemicals, things like contamination, things like quality standards. So that's how they assisted me, and that's really important when manufacturing products.
At the moment, I'm generating more income because of the CSIR. The name itself, you know, it boosted the product image as well.
The good thing with this program is that it has assisted me understand and realize that there is a possibility, you know, to start up a business from the validation results that they've given me.
The support that we have received from the CSIR provides us with market credibility, but also it gives us the scientific validation that is necessary for us to enter this very exclusive industry, allowing us an opportunity to compete with the best in the world.
The BIDC has enabled a small little company like JVS Biotech, who had a pipe dream to become a manufacturer of these high-value products, has taken it from clone to commercial in a very short time frame, 2 years.
In addition to the support we provide to SMMEs, we believe we have a very important role to play in developing skills for the biomanufacturing sector. To that end, we've established a year-long internship program, and we train up to 25 interns a year, allowing them to get hands-on experiential training in process development, in product development, and actually operating the machinery and the equipment required in the sector.
What we're focusing on is developing human capacity, and you might have heard the phrase, technology walks on two legs. So what we really are focusing here on is the fact that you might have all the facilities in the world, how good they might be, but unless you do have people that are going to operate them, you are not going to make it. So what we're really looking at with this capacity is that they are going to be the ones that are going to be running various processes manufacturing-wise in both newer and existing enterprises. So that's really our main focus through the BIDC.
You will learn a lot. You will come out of it a better scientist.
And I'm actually motivated to actually, going forward and start my own SMME.
Seeing science being translated to real or everyday use products which are answering a need to the community is very exciting and beautiful.
The BIDC program has assisted me as a chemical engineering technician to learn more about technology development and product development, and that skill has assisted me in finding employment in one of the incubated enterprises at CSIR.
CSIR has not neglected this important aspect of human resource development, because we must change the skills profile of the young people of our country. The CSIR's Biomanufacturing Industry Development Center is addressing all of these, so there can be no better initiative than one that addresses each of the components of development and innovation that we wish to see.
Every South African's daily life, science and technology is in your eyes.
We had ideas that work. This for us is science that work for industry and to make the country competitive.